The impact that Askeladd had throughout the entire series of Vinland Saga is a lot bigger than you might think, and honestly, I did not think that he was going to be referenced at all after his death in Season 1. But that is until you start realizing that he was a Kickstarter to what happens to Thorfinn as well as King Canute. Because as we were first introduced to King Canute, he looked like this and was very wimpy and cared for a lot of unnecessary things. At least in terms when it came to being a king. And after Askeladd's death, he ended up turning to the person that he needed to be in order to be, in charge of an entire kingdom. But mind you, this is the exact opposite of who he was prior. Now he is just ruthlessly taking land as well as taking the lives of people that, have the land that they're in. And then you have Thorfinn, who actually went through 3 types of stages, one being vengeance after the death of his father by Askeladd, the other one being an empty shell because he essentially lost his will to live because of Askeladd's death. And after that you have his redemption, where he essentially makes up for what he's done in the past. And perfectly enough, Askeladd was there to actually help Thorfinn push him out of his sorry state. So yeah, when I say it, I actually mean that Askeladd is really well written.